A few.
I need to open.
You need to open what?
You want to help me open it? Here, help me. Because Daddy wrapped it 5 million times. Careful. Got it?
It's for you.
Yeah, it is for me. You want to open it?
It's for your name.
Kyle, is this, where's Mommy's name?
It's right there.
What does it say? What does it say? What's this letter?
Day. B-U. L. And K.
Huh? What's this one?
This K.
No, that's an I.
And I.
What's this one?
A.
What's Mommy's name?
A.
Mommy's name. What's Mommy's name?
A.
Julia, silly.
Julia.
Yeah.